What is this? Yaw tayo guys, ako signal. May tao sana dyan. Hello, Sir Robert Sabelia. Good morning. Buenas noite. Eres muy bella. Juan Limos. Hello. Iba kasi stupid. Tisha, your friend Princess. She's a wisdom. I love her so much. Yes, Princess is very nice. Try understand. Please, please, please. What is this? What is this? Meow. Meow. Yes. May pusa dito, guys. I'm going on vacation. I need you to find a female friends. Tisha, like my sister in my heart, I will support her until I did. Really? Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Thank you, princess. Make you my sugar daddy. Make what is this, sugar baby? Me too. I will love you until the end of my breath. Make you my sugar baby. Oh my goodness. But I want to live long again. My gosh. Yes, even, there's lots of problems. There's a lot of struggle in this life. My gosh. It's very nice to live in this world. Koskan, hello, shout out. Guys, please also visit my friend Princess, guys. And please subscribe to her channel. I'm hoping to get you 1,000 subscribers soon. Princess. I can't stand it. Snorting. Welder Varga, shout out Lois. Good morning. The cat, guys, is very noisy. Hush B, hello, good morning. Thank you guys for the 31 likes. You're in Kuwait? No, I'm in Philippines only. Gandanap ako, gusto magpakain roses na dam. Hi! Are you going to eat roses? My goodness. Masarap ka bang kumain? Yung aking kilikili, ano ito? Hoy! Takitem, day! Mingming! Nagulot ang pusa na to. Come here! Come here. Say good morning to the guys.